Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect a watch to your Strava application. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Strava application on your phone. Once it loads up, take a look at the bottom of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on New. This takes you to your personal profile area where you can access all your account settings and preferences. Now that you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open up the settings menu. This is where all the main configuration options for your Strava account are located, including the device connection settings you'll need for this process. Once you're inside the settings, scroll through the options until you find Connect an app or device. This is the section specifically designed for linking external devices and applications to your Strava account. Click on it to proceed to the device connection area. After clicking that option, you'll see a screen displaying different brand devices that you can connect to Strava. This includes various fitness watches and tracking devices from manufacturers like Garmin, Apple, Fitbit, and others. Browse through the available options and click on the brand that matches your watch. This ensures that Strava can properly sync data from your specific device. Once you've selected your device brand, you'll see a button that says Get Started. Click on this button to begin the pairing process. This is what initiates the connection sequence between your watch and Strava. Now, the app will present you with a series of on-screen instructions specific to your device. These instructions will guide you through the pairing process step by step. Follow these instructions carefully, as they may include signing into your device account, authorizing permissions, or confirming the connection on both your phone and your watch. The exact steps will vary depending on which brand of watch you're connecting, but Strava makes the process straightforward by walking you through each requirement. Just take your time and complete each instruction as it appears. Once you've finished following all the instructions, your device will be successfully connected to Strava. From this point forward, your watch will automatically sync your workouts, activities, and fitness data directly to your Strava account, making it easy to track your progress and share your achievements with the Strava community. And that's it. Your watch is now connected to Strava and ready to track all your activities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.